Today we're checking out Detail Co. Wheel and Tire Cleaner. This is a high alkaline, very concentrated, very powerful wheel and tire cleaner we're introducing to the market. Diluting 10:1 today in our IK alkaline sprayer. Get you an alkaline sprayer because this is a high alkaline product. It's also, you can dilute heavy duty 5:1 or maintenance 15:1, and it's going to cover all your wheel and tire cleaning needs. Very powerful, like I said, and we're going to demo that today on this big old Ford F-150 wheel and tire. Get some in our fender wells too. And we're gonna let that just do its thing for a second as our first foaming pre-rinse. You can see the immediate browning action as it starts to break down the old dressing and the browning on our tires and whatever's caked on the face of that wheel. Now that you can see, it's broken down a lot of that material, old dressing on that wheel and tire, and all the caked up material that's on the wheel. Now we rinse off. Don't forget your fender wells. Look at that. This is a near touchless solution. You can see not a lot of film left on the wheel. The tire looks nice. Looks like that old dressing's been broken down a lot. But we're going to agitate today to show you it works well with agitation as well. So go ahead and foam it back down. We also have the precision tip from IK sprayers in our foamer today. In our wheel bucket, we're going to pull out some Detail Co. Decon shampoo. And we're going to put a little bit of that, about an ounce or two, in our wheel bucket as well. Got about 2 gallons in the wheel bucket with our assortment of brushes. And now we have a higher pH solution that's very lubricating. Decon shampoo, very lubricating for our brushes. Now we get in here, do the agitation on our truck wheel. Look at all that gunk coming out of there. Now we're going to agitate the tires. And this is really going to finish stripping down this big old tire. We got the Thor tire brush, does a great job of maneuvering in all the little nooks and crannies. And you can see everything just pulling off this tire. And this is the first time I've come in contact with this tire, so it really needed that deep clean, so we can prepare it for a good dressing instead of this dealership dressing. And look at that, look at all it's pulling off. Look at the nastiness on the brush. We're just gonna rinse our brush off before putting that back in our bucket. Now we got the Yum wheel mitt I've been enjoying. Get in here and give this wheel an agitation. Next up, our swab New York Foam Kings. We're gonna get in here and get the details of the lug nuts and the tire stem. All right, and we'll give it the rinse off. I put the same mixture, dumped it in my IK e-foamer. I think my alkaline foamer is a little clogged up in the filter. But this is what it looks like with the e-foamer with a clean filter. just to give you a better representation of the foam you can get at the 10-to-1 dilution. There you go, Detail Co. Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Look at all that brown come off. Boom, Detail Co. Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Get it right now, Detail Co. at thehouseofrags.com. And it is our concentrated formula for your wheel and tire cleaning solution and best bang for your buck. Go check it out, houseofrags.com.